Hey everybody, good evening everyone. So, welcome back to the live streams of Global Trade Live, and I'm gonna do the live streaming on New York session today. So, let's just quickly have a look on GBP JPY over here without wasting any further time. So, yesterday there was a extremely nice trade I have took in GBP JPY. Also, I have posted that on the Instagram as well, so that the people can just have a look at that and learn something from that trade. So that was a pretty easy trade, which I took yesterday, and it really went well. So yeah, this was the trade over here. So the whole idea behind that trade was the market just came down over here, and after that it went up. So I was actually looking at the markets in the 15-minute time frame like this. So when I looked at the market at 15-minute time frame, hey everyone. Okay, so when I was looking at the market in the 30-minute time frame, I saw that the market was moving down, creating lower lows and lower highs, and this was a strong level of support in the market. So the market tapped that support area and it just went further down. So when it went further down over here, this candle was also about to break the low of the previous one, right? So but the problem was the move was already being done. Okay, so these are the straight sell candles made by the market, and after that I switched to the 15-minute time frame. So when I looked at the market in the 15-minute time frame, I noticed that there was a clean range to the left over here, and then we had a support formed over here. Like the market was moving down, a support was formed and a resistance was formed as well over this point. And when this candle closed bearish, so I asked myself, okay, what will be the what would be the easiest setup for me to take the trade, right? mm, okay, let me just check something. Okay, so yeah, let's again talk about this thing over here. So then this candle just closed bearish one, and after that I thought that okay, I might take a sell trade when this candle will be creating a higher wick, and once that candle will be creating a higher wick, I'm gonna take a sell trade once this candle over here break this low over here, and I took a sell trade and it just went straight down in like 10 pips. Basically what I did in this whole trade was I also managed the risk. So when the market was in profits and it went back to the break even level, I closed at 50% at the break even level, because the previous candle closed with no wick, and we all know that when a candle closes with no wick on the bottom or the top, that means the chances of going in that particular direction is really low. Like this candle closed with no wick in the sell direction, so the chances of going down in for the next candle was really low. So that's why I had to manage the risk, and I kept my stops above this candle's high over here. So it went down straight, and that was a quite profitable trade and easy setup over here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna now let's just remove all the drawings from the chart, and let's have a look in the daily, like what the daily time frame is basically doing today. Okay, so by looking at the daily time frame, it looks like that today's daily candle is rejecting or respecting the support formed earlier over here, and I'm gonna mark that area so that we can easily visualize what the market is actually doing right now. And after the daily, I'm gonna go to the 4-hour time frame over here. So by looking at the 4-hour time frame, the market created a support over here. Okay, so the market has created support, then after that it went up and it created a resistance over here, right? And after that the market went down again, and it went down to the exactly same level it created earlier, and after that it just went all the way up. It broke and closed above the previous formed resistance, now which become the support for the current market scenario. And after that it formed another resistance over here. Let me just mark that area as well. Okay, so this is the another resistance formed by the market. And right now the previous candle, if you look at the previous candle just went up, and it then rejected the higher prices, and it closed like a weak bullish candle. And after that we have a strong current candle is like a strong bearish candle over here, and it looks like that it has broken the lows as well. And but the thing is, if we look on the left, we always have to look on the left, right? So if we look on the left, then we can clearly see that the current candle might just respect this area of resistance, which is the support for the current market scenario. So we don't know whether this current 4-hour candle will be moving all the way down or closing below this area, or will be closing above this area, and what the next candle will be doing, right? We don't know about that. So what we have to do is we have to switch to the lower time frames to see more clarity of the market, because now we have to link each and every time frame together to get a clear picture of what the market is doing or what the market is about to do. Okay, so right now, as we can see over here, the 1-hour candle, so now we have to draw some areas over here in the 1 hour as well. So this was a support which was followed by a previous support, and the 1-hour candle just broke this low. So the best part about the 1 hour is in this market scenario, if we talk about only, then this could be a really nice trade when this the lower high was formed, and this low was formed, and this candle just broke the low of the previous candle. This could be a really nice trade, but obviously this opportunity has already been gone, and now what we have to do is we have to just reanalyze it, and let's find some good areas of trades. Okay, so the previous 1 hour candle, it just went all the way down and it just closed with the rejection over here, right? So now we have this clean range to the left. Okay, and the market is now came inside the previous formed area. Okay, the previous formed range, so the market has again came inside. So the best thing is, if the market really has to go up like in the bullish direction, then it should be respecting this area of resistance, which is now the support for the current market scenario, right? But instead of doing that, the market has again came and closed inside this range, right? So now what does this mean? either way the market may be going down. The chances of, now let's talk about the probability thing over here, right? So now by looking at the picture of the market, this whole picture over here, what we can say about the market structure, right? So we can clearly say that the market structure right now is forming like a bearish one. Okay, so clearly the market, more probability of going down is really high than the probability of going up, right? Also, if you have looked in the daily time frame, let me just go back to the daily. Okay, so that in that way you will be, and you can understand it better. So in the daily time frame also, I just told everybody in the start of the stream that now the today's daily candle is respecting the lows formed earlier. Now the market is creating lower lows and lower highs, right? So the daily structure is saying that the market's gonna move down, and the hourly structure is also saying the market might be moving down. But the question is whether the current candle, the current 1 hour candle, will be moving all the way down, breaking this low over here, or whether we will be having a support, or sorry, a resistance formation somewhere around over here, and then we will be moving down. We don't really know about that. So what we can do over here is, I'm gonna just switch to the 30-minute time frame to get more clarity of the market. So by looking at the 30-minute time frame, we can see clearly that the market has just formed a support level over here, right? So the market has formed a support level by forming a bullish candle, and now the current candle has created a higher wick, and now it has started to move down. So what if this current candle, this current 30-minute candle, breaks the low of the previous one and continue to move down? The chances of doing that is high, but we have to be very very careful with this kind of setup, because the thing is, we can have a wick rejection and a upward movement coming up soon. Because we look at the previous setups over here, previous structure over here, the market created a resistance, then falls down, created a resistance, then falls down, and again it's doing the same. But each and every resistance has been created nearby this area of resistance, you can say. Okay, so but now, right now, the current market structure is below this area over here. So I am thinking that it might be a trap that the market is now creating. So it might go somewhere up over here like this, and after that we will be seeing a downward movement like this. So I think that might be the case the market will be doing. So that's why I'm gonna be very very careful before taking a trade over here in this area, right? So we have to be very very careful and patient about that. So I'm gonna just find a easy trade for me, no tricky ones, because by looking at the 1 hour, the movement has already been done. So whenever we have a movement which has already been done, a move which has already been taken place, after that I just wait for the market to form something easy, something nice for me, because I don't want to be a part of the losing ones, right? Because those people who gets really impatient, they just takes the trade randomly in the market and they just blows their account. So I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna wait. If I have a nice structure which really which really increases my confidence, then I'm only gonna take a trade. Otherwise I'm gonna just sit back and relax and enjoy the Friday. Also guys, today is Friday, so you just have to wait and watch the market. You don't have to really force trade on Fridays, or you don't even have to really participate in the market trading on Fridays, because Fridays are really risky. So I'm also gonna be very very careful before taking any kind of a trade. So this was all about GBP JPY. Let's now talk about gold over here, like what gold is doing. Let's have a look. Okay, so gold is moving in the upward direction. Let's have a look on the daily, actually on the weekly. So what the weekly candle is finally doing on the last day. So weekly candle is clearly going up, but the problem is it has already reached to a strong level of resistance, which is over here. Now two things can happen. Number one is that today there might be so much of volume in the market that the weekly candle will be going straight up and will tap this area over here. Or number second thing which can happen in the market is that weekly candle might reject these higher prices and close back inside the range, and the next weekly candle maybe then go up, something like that can happen. Or the third thing, yes, and the third thing which can happen is that this candle might just consolidate today, and it will be just closing over here only, which is um, at this point only, right? So this can also be the case. By looking at the weekly, we can clearly say that the gold is in a buy direction. And after that, let's have a look at the daily over here. So by looking at the daily, now I'm gonna adjust some levels. So this will become a support now, and the market was moving up, created a support over here, and after that it started to move up over here. So we have seen these kind of candles many times, right? Whenever these kind of candles I see, whenever we have this kind of a doji candle, undecisive candle over here, when the next candle breaks the high like the today's candle did, the market just goes up with volume, right? So if we talk about volume, then where will be the ending price, or where will be the resistance, the next resistance for the current daily candle? So this is the next resistance where the gold can easily go. That means now the daily is also pointing towards the buy direction of the market. And let's talk about the 1 hour now, because now we have to switch to the lower time frames and we have to adjust these levels one by one. So I'm gonna just put this level over here. This was a strong level of resistance, and after that we have the market have respected this resistance over here. The market has respected by creating another resistance over here in this area. And now look at here, now look how the market picture is getting clear by switching the time frames, by making the levels of support and resistance. So now the market just went down, respected this resistance which has become the support over here, then it went up again, it respected that area of resistance again which was formed earlier, then it went down again. So that means when the market is moving up and down, that means the market is moving in the sideways direction, right? So whenever the market is moving in a sideways direction, we don't really have to take a trade, because whenever you try to take a trade in a sideways direction, you might end up losing, because the thing is you might see a lot of confusions in the form of wicks in the market, right? So so now the market is moving up over here, it respected this area again, but now this time the market broke this area, right? So after this area was created since 15th of March, and after the 2 days it has finally broke above this area. That means now the 1 hour time frame is also saying us that the market might move in the buy direction. The probability of moving in the buy direction is really more, right? So now what we have to do is we just have to wait for a better confirmation for buys, because right now the volume looks like it's really low kind of a volume, and also the current 1 hour candle has already broke above the high of the previous candle. So I'm not gonna re-enter this trade, because if the market has already broken the high, that means it should be moving up already, or it might just reject and come back down, create a support, and after that it will be moving up. So I'm gonna just wait for that kind of a clarity over here. And by looking at the 30-minute time frame now, 30-minute time frame is telling something different. So when this candle broke and close above this area of resistance, the previous candle over here, it also closed like a sell candle, and when the current 30-minute candle broke the high of the previous bearish candle, that means it has already formed a support over here. So whenever there is a support formation, that means the market is about to move up. But by looking at this rejection thing over here, I might just wait and watch, and I just might wait for this current candle to close, and I want to see how this candle will be closing exactly. So maybe in the next 10 minutes I might lose this, I might just lose this opportunity of trade, and the market might just move all the way up. But the thing is, that will be a win-win situation for me, because I'm not force trading, I'm not just taking unnecessary trades. Even though this could be a winning trade, I'm just sit back and relax, because any mistake today can be can convert this winning week into a losing week. So that's why I will just sit back and relax, because I have to first judge the market movements, and then I have to take the decisions based on those movements. So let's just wait for 10 more minutes now and look over here. The market is now moving up. So once this candle has already broken this high, now if we look on the left, let's see what we have on the left. Okay, so we have this clean range on the left, and this is a strong, supporting criteria for the market to move up. So I'm just gonna I think I will be focusing on GBP JPY over here, and maybe not gold, because I might be losing this opportunity over here. But it's not a problem. It's all right. So let's have a look. Once this candle broke this high, it just went up like 18.5 pips. Oh, really nice, really nice. The gold is now moving up. Perfect. GBP JPY is moving down, so the current 1 hour candle is having like 38 minutes to move down, and once it broke the low, oh, so this could be a huge stop loss, now 51 pips. So what I can do over here is, okay, so 30-minute candle is about to close in 8 minutes. So can we expect that the market can really move all the way down in the next 8 minutes? I doubt about it. I don't have much faith in the next 30 minutes to push the market all the way down. Oh, this could be a really nice trade in gold. 47 pips straight up, easy one. But obviously, if today was not Friday, then I would have definitely got onto this trade. But because of Friday, I have to be really, really careful. Really careful. Because one mistake and your winning week will be a losing week. And in the meantime, let's have a look on the news as well. What news is we are getting today? So in 7 minutes okay, this is low CAD data, and after that we have US data, industrial production, medium, and after that we have Michigan consumer sentiment index. But that is having like 1 hour 37 minutes to go, so we have much time to take the trade. 7 minutes left and anything can happen over here. Let me have a look at the 15 minutes as well. Okay, so this is a resistance formation. This could be okay, this could be a nice trade, and let's have a look over here. 34 pips. Yeah, I might take this trade once this candle breaks the low. But I have to be very, very careful, because this could be a losing one as well. So I will reduce my lot size over here, and I'll wait for the market to break this low. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the 1 hour time frame, because 1 hour time frame is giving me much more confidence than the other time frames. So I'm gonna just take this over here, and once this candle breaks this low, I will be entering in the market, and I'm gonna keep my stops above the current candle's high, and I'm gonna keep my target at around 20 pips only. Yeah, so now let's see how this candle will be moving, because anything can happen, guys. In this kind of situation, anything can happen. So this could be a risky one, but by looking at the market structure, we might have a straight move downside, because market can easily come down in this area. After that, it might have some issues over here. So now what I'm doing in this kind of a particular trade is, okay, it's about to go down, and took a sell trade at this point. I'm already up 3 pips, 4 pips over here. 161.079, 161.079 is my stop loss. And now if the trade goes against us, then we have to really manage the risk. So let's have a look. Yeah, it's rejecting. Just need a push. Now 4 minutes left for the 30-minute candle to close, so this could be anything, because we have to really very fast over here. I'm gonna go to the 5-minute time frame to manage the risk. So the previous 5-minute candle closed with no wick. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just mark a small area of resistance over here. If the market tries to go above this area over here, I'm gonna close my entire position, and I'm gonna then wait for the market to for the 30-minute candle to close, and then I'm gonna look for the trade in the next 30-minute candle. So let's see if this could be a winning trade or not. Also, I'm gonna reduce my stops according to the 5-minute time frame to 160.960. Okay, so we are already running in like 7 pips. 160, 960, 60.960. 3 minutes left. Anything can happen in the last 3 minutes, guys. So hey Antonio, actually I hope you just understood why I took this trade and what I'm planning basically. So that's why I, okay, 8.6 pips. Oh, really nice. 8.2 pips running already. I think it just hit 10 pips. I didn't close it. 2 minutes left. Okay, 9.9. So it has hit the 10 pips now. If anybody wants to close, then they can close. I'm just gonna wait. What I'm gonna do is now 11 pips over here. Now I'm taking the risk over here. In case it just goes back to the break even, I might close everything at break even, because I'm expecting this candle to push the price down once again. So running in, rejecting this area, so I think it will be hitting the break even. So let's have a look on the 30-minute time frame. Yeah, 30-minute time frame looks like the next 30-minute candle might just hit the break even, or maybe it will push down first and then goes up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna secure my profits maybe. Okay, so I have just closed over here in profits, and I just closed in 11.5 pips. So congratulations to those who just won this position with me. This trade was took live, and if anybody is still in the position and left the runners, then just take your stop loss at break even and let the trade run. So you can wait. I'm gonna tell you where you guys can wait. Let's have a look on the 30 minutes. So you can wait till this area, 160.249. So this was another winning trade for today. And guys, I'm done for the day, because in terms of trading we are still live, so I'm not going anywhere, and we are going to talk about and look at the market. So but in terms of trading, I'm already done for the day. So yeah, this was a quite easy trade again. So see, what I did was I analyzed all the time frames together, then I came to the 30 minute and 15 minute, then I finally found some opportunity based on 30 minute and 15 minute, then I waited for the candle to do the thing which I wanted the candle to do, right? So I did not just enter the trade on the first, by looking at the candle, just right. So I waited for a proper setup, and then I entered the market. Okay, so now by looking at the current 30-minute candle, the move has already been done, right? So this can be a retracement coming up. That can be the case. I'm not sure. That can be the case. The market can really retrace back up. So if anybody wants, they can secure their positions, or in case somebody still wants that to hold it, then just increase your stops a little bit, because market might just go up and hit your break even. So yeah, it's totally up to you guys, because now I just don't want to risk anything on Friday. In fact, if I'm on Fridays, I am just getting 10 pips, easy 10 pips in few seconds, then why would I waste that? I would just gain those 10 pips and take the weekend, enjoy my weekend, and just sit back and relax. Oh, look at the gold, man. Gold. This could be a really nice one. But no problem. I'm not gonna be greedy. So, how many of you just got this trade over here? If anybody got this trade over here, just tell me, send me your charts if you want to. And the thing is, yeah, so guys, if anybody of you has got this trade with me, and if I helped you 1% only, then just subscribe my channel, guys. Like my channel, like this video over here, like this stream, and do support me, guys, because I really need your support, because I want to provide this free knowledge to everyone every day. So I'm just working really hard for this, and I really need your support, guys. So if you're not a subscriber till now, then just subscribe my channel, guys. I will really appreciate your support. Yeah, so the gold will be moving all the way up in this area. No stopping. Thank you, Antonio. So this week, the whole week was a nice week. Basically, there were 1 or 2 days when there were no trades, and there were days like yesterday there was a trade, then today there was a trade, and I think this week I got three to four trades, I think. Yeah, just three to four trades, nothing more than that. So yeah, and I won in all those trades. So that's a really nice thing to do. I got, okay, Antonio saying I got in at gold, buys at the previous 15-minute candle when it flips, closed 30 minutes. Expected the volume from, acha, okay. Really nice. So Antonio, if you can send us your chart by making some highlights or drawings over here, then I can really share your chart with everybody else as well, so everybody can just learn from your analysis also. So that will be a really nice thing to do, because I really want, if anybody wants to really contribute in our community, where we can really help each other by just sharing knowledge, then that could be the best thing we can do. What's the Discord? Okay, yeah. So I'm gonna just log in my Discord over here. I was having Discord. Okay. I'm gonna just paste the Discord link. Gold is gone. Gold is just gone. So this is my channel over here. Let me just go to the settings, invites, and copy. Copy link, and I'm gonna just paste it on the chat over here. So this is the Discord channel, guys. You can just click on the link and join the Discord channel. Yeah, send me your chart over there. And in the meantime, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just download this Discord for desktop and log in into that. Thank you, Mr. Tadiu Koreai, for subscribing me, guys. Thank you so much. Really need your support. And sorry if I took your name wrong. I am figuring out how to log in into the desktop with Discord. Pins, threads. Okay, I will figure that out later. You are most welcome. So I hope my streaming is helping you guys. Okay, so I have logged in to Discord. So if anybody really wants to send me their charts about the analysis and everything, they can just send me directly on my Discord channel. So, and the link is in the description over here. Sorry, in the chat section over here. So you can just click on that link and join the Discord. I'm gonna just pin this message so that you can easily join. Also, yeah, there is one more thing. After the streams, if anyone was really wanted to know why I took this trade over here. Okay, so guys, congratulations, GBP JPY has hit the TP, and now you can just close your full positions over here. It just tapped the target and it just now rejecting the exact area I was talking about, because there is a support on the left and it just came exactly to the support and now it's moving up. So this was the thing I was talking about earlier. And yeah, I was saying that if anybody wants to know why exactly I took this trade, I'm gonna just send the whole analysis in the form of picture by labeling that picture in my Discord channel after the streams. So you can just join the channel, join the Discord, and just have an idea or learn from that analysis, because that analysis will really help you to see what I am seeing or what I'm looking at in the market, right? So now I'll just take a leave from you guys because today's trading has already been done, and I'm gonna meet you on Monday. So till the time, take care everybody, and thank you for supporting me, and thank you for coming live with me today. And also just try to send me your charts, guys, because if we share knowledge with each other, then we will be uh, pushing towards the some excellence in trading, I would say that. So just, and also if anybody wants to join the Global Trade Live channel on Telegram, they can just join the channel. The link is over here. This is the username, and you can just join that channel also, because I'm gonna send the analysis in the Telegram channel as well. So take care everyone, have a great weekend. It's really nice to have you guys on my streams today. So goodbye guys.